Okay, so this is a video of what to do
when your toilet won't flush.
Go ahead and take it away.
Okay, so you just take off the top. Okay, and if it doesn't flush, it's usually something to do with something inside of the toilet. Sometimes it could be the handle, sometimes it could be this right here. But all you need to do is, or if this is even fallen inside, you can always pull this out and pull it up like this, and it'll flush. So if you ever come across your toilet not working because this isn't working, the easiest way is just taking off the top and pulling this up.
Or you can just pull it from right here too, right?
You could do that too.
Yep.
Yeah, if this isn't broken, you could do this, you could pull this up. But if this whole piece is broken, you can just grab it from here and then just pull this up.
Okay.
Pull the chain up. Yeah.
That's how you flush if it's broken.
Mm-hmm.